Hi, I'm going to show you how to make your own do-it-yourself hummingbird feeder. You will need a grown-up's help. Supplies you will need are a small container with a lid, a plastic water bottle, string, a hot glue gun, scissors, a drill, and a Sharpie. First, trace the lid side of your bottle onto the lid of your plastic container, and then cut that circle out. Drill 6 to 8 holes toward the edge of the plastic lid. I colored the lid of my container red to try to be a little more attractive to hummingbirds. Next, drill a hole through the middle of the top of your water bottle lid, and then also drill a hole through the side of the neck of your water bottle. Next, cut about a 2-foot piece of string to tie around the bottom of your water bottle so that you can hang it. To make hummingbird nectar, use 1 cup of water for each 1/4 cup of sugar. Boil the mixture, and once it has cooled, pour it into your water bottle. You will need to change your mixture frequently to keep the hummingbirds coming back for fresh nectar. Next, hot glue your other plastic lid to the neck of your water bottle. Once the plastic lid is hot glued to your water bottle, you can snap it into place on the other side of your container, and then squeeze your bottle so the nectar flows into your container. And now you're ready to hang your hummingbird feeder.